Hey y'all, hey, it's your favorite girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be testing out Make Market's sublimation photo frames. I have already printed the image, wiped everything down, so we're good to go there. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider sharing out the video, leaving me a comment, as I do love interacting with you all. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam, welcome back. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get into it. This is gonna be kind of short and sweet. Now remember, it's doing this follow type thing. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing it. So we're gonna let it do what it do. I'm gonna put some sublimation tape on the photo frame. Okay, so I'll just make all the images, and it's only two. Like I said, I'm trying to put up a bunch of short and sweet, direct to the point content, so you guys will be entertained while I'm at work. All right, and you're gonna press these at 356 degrees for 360 seconds. And no more. The temperature should not get up past 400 degrees. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of butcher paper on the bottom and the top. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of butcher paper on the bottom and the top, because I don't want my mat right there to get any ink on it. All right, y'all. So this is just the normal. Just the normal. All right. All right. So this is my butcher paper. I have one for the top, one for the bottom. And I'm just going to set each of these on here. I'm going to try to get it centered in the middle as close as possible. Put this piece of butcher paper there. I'm going to use my right hand and hold that down. Let's see. I still hope y'all got sound. Y'all know I be forgetting with the sound. Okay, we were good. We good. All right. So here we go. This is about as tight as we're going to get it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Okay, Make Market sublimation slate blanks. This is the directions on the back. So again, you get the sublimation slate blank, 2 plastic stands, your instructions, and there's that. So I'm gonna let this sublimate and I'll be back. Okay guys, just a few things while that is finishing up. When you are doing sublimation, you're going to want to make sure that you clean your substrate. You want to make sure that you lint roll it. Yes, lint roll it. Even though it is a photo slate blank, you want to make sure that you have clean hands, free of oil and debris. Okay, so you're going to wash your hands, dry them off, all of the things. And then you want to make sure that wherever you are laying your substrates, that it is a clean surface there, as well as you want to make sure that your heat press is well protected, the top and the bottom platen, and you want to make sure that the sublimatable side, okay, sublimatable side is up toward the top platen. Okay, all right, just 134 more seconds. All right, guys, you heard it. We are officially done. All right, so it is officially done, and I'm glad. I'm glad, okay? And I'm gonna set that. Oops, it went on the floor. I'll get it. Ooh, and those look like they sublimated very well. I guess I'm gonna have to stand on this side for it to show the heat press, I guess. So remember, we can pull this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Wow. Whew. I don't know why that paper wanted to stick there, but it did. All right, I'm gonna grab some heat resistant gloves. Woohoo, what do you know? I actually have both of them together. And y'all, the heat is not playing off of this heat press right here, okay? It's not playing. It's not playing. Okay. So, safety first. All right. Remember, we're going to want to be very careful with this because we know that it can still be sublimating. Oh my God. Oh, somebody look at this. Ah. Oh my goodness. Somebody look at that. OMG. So these are going to be, this is from the cruise, of course, and these are going to go on my desk at work. I'm just trying to, OMG. So, oops, let me set it up right. Ah, hot. All right, Jesus. Okay, super cute. So that is the first one. I'm gonna let it sit right there and cool off because, like I said, these are going on my desk at work, along with a succulent plant that I got yesterday as well. Ooh. OMG. Now y'all know how me and sublimation is. It's a hit or miss. Oh my God. Super, super adorable, y'all. And as I'm holding this, I can feel the heat. So I'm not gonna well, I know y'all can kind of see it over there set up, but y'all will get a better view of it on the thumbnail. Okay, so I'm gonna set that right there, and I'm gonna come back to you guys, of course. Sorry, I don't want to make you sick, but I'm sorry. I gotta move the camera back. All right, y'all. So I'm your girl T. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.